So this is the first time where we talk about the window because we actually have it in the drawing. And notice the whole window is highlighted. So the beauty of the window is it is one of the only components, and more specifically the glass IGU, it is one of the only components in a house that's all 4 control layers.
Oh, that's interesting, yeah.
Right? Because that sheds water, it's in charge of air leakage, it is in charge of vapor control, and it is also thermally insulated because it has spaces and films and stuff. All 4 control layers are on the window. So that's how important windows are and window choices. So I know we get a lot of comments on, the price of these things, but let me explain something. If you're buying a 3x5 window and your conversation about that is, man, I got that window for $150. Chances are it's probably not the best window for your project.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? So windows are very, very important to get that right.
Yep.
So window goes up, it connects to what we would call a Dudley box, which is basically a box where we frame inside of the double wall, right? Because we need, and you're gonna put my architectural skills to work here.
It's a double wall house, that's why we got that in there. Yeah, it took me a second to realize that.
So when you have your window, the window is gonna get placed somewhere in here, and we're gonna have that glass go and our window rail there, right? So what you want is the condition that's out here, the face of the wall, the zip, I need to turn that corner inside. Basically the same thing we used to do with house wrap. We used to cut it, fold it into the rough opening. Well, we're doing the same thing here with zip. We're just folding it in there, and in this case, we're folding it in up there too. And so that gets folded to the inside. So the window now connects to that.
Yep.
That goes out. We have some sealant there. It connects to our zip sheathing on the outside, and that is simply by having this joint taped, right? And that joint gets taped underneath and folded and creased along here.
I gotta be honest, that's not an easy detail. There's a lot going on there.
There is a lot going on there. And then our zip sheathing comes up, and just like we have that, we have tape that comes up and over the top here. And then that runs out to here. We have a couple beads of sealant that catches the drywall. The drywall takes it across the house.
This portion makes a lot of sense to me, and I see you using this a lot. I can totally wrap my head around it. Some of the details in the double wall, I've not built one, and I'm thankful that I haven't had to, because they're a little tough for me to wrap my mind around. There's a lot of surfaces and a lot of frankly, a lot of caulking beads in there and things that you really got to get right. So that's not a super easy assembly to build.
You know, it's really interesting. It's going to be a while down the road, but when we finally do get to the window episodes, our office has what I think is a bulletproof way of explaining window installation.
Can't wait.
That's all I'm going to leave. So when you say, it's kind of a little baffling to me and my guys, we have taken the baffling and the mystery out of it.
Cool.
Because not only have you said that, but in my 30 years, these have always been the questions and the details.
Yeah.
So am I getting this right, that this is folding here and this is taped to that and this is done to that? And we finally I did a whole new generation of window details, and we've answered all of those questions.
Very cool.